Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use personalized tags with PushEngage to send truly customized push notifications. Want to greet your subscribers by name? Now you can with PushEngage's Attributes feature. Attributes act like custom tags, such as first name, last purchase date, or even favorite product. This allows you to segment your audience and send super relevant notifications. Let's dive into the setup. Log in to your PushEngage dashboard and click the Attributes tab. Create a new attribute called First Name. Give it a name and a description. Now, assign values to this attribute for your subscribers. You can do this manually or automatically through the PushEngage API. This allows for dynamic personalization, greeting each subscriber by their first name. With your attributes set up, go to the Notification Creation section. You'll see a new personalization option using your created tags. Insert the tag like this. Hello, your first name. Check out today's deals. PushEngage will automatically replace first name with each subscriber's individual name upon sending. Bam! Personalized notifications made easy. Setting up attributes only takes a few minutes but can significantly boost your click-through rates. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more PushEngage tips. See you in the next one.